Very good morning, children. A warm welcome to the new session. Happy Thursday, all of you. Today, the day is Thursday and the date is 23rd 9 2021. Day is Thursday. According to the timetable, Thursday we have EVS subject and the topic name is about which topic? I have given some keywords in the previous class about the topic. Yes, precious water. Precious water. And class, which class are you all? Second standard. And the day is Thursday. 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 Precious water. The topic is precious water. In this lesson, what we have learned? How much water is essential for us? How much we are dependent on the water? What all the purpose we need water? Water is one of the basic necessity. How much is water covered by the earth? How we can save the water? And what are the water sources? What is water cycle? How we get rain? And what type of water we need to drink? In boiled water, what will happen? And what is water actually? That's what we have learned, right? What is the pure transparent liquid? The three states of water: gas form, then water is a liquid, water is a gas, water is a solid, right? These are the information we have learned by learning about the topic water. Yes, in the previous class I have given some keywords also. In this session, let me start with the notes regarding the topic precious water. I hope you all keeping your classwork, EVS classwork next with you, I think. Okay, those who are not keeping your classwork, please get soon your EVS classwork and eraser, pencil, everything. Okay. The first main, match the following. Shall I start, or do we have to wait for a while? Shall we? First main, match the following. Write down MATCH, match. One more thing I want to tell you, children. Very soon you have second test, right? In the next one, second week, I think you people have second test. In EVS subject, for second test, you have two topics. One is about PR for you. Write down what are the chapters you have to read for the second test. For second test, two chapters you have. One is BR for you lesson. Do you have remember? I have done this lesson also, right? BR for you. FOR for you. All the notes I have given. Okay? All the notes. Question answers. Match the following. Missing letter. Rearrange. Then fill in the blanks. Then true or false. All the notes I have given regarding the topic BR for you. You have to read. Okay? Only what you have to do. Only one job is left. That is your work. You have to learn. Okay? BR for you, and the second lesson, precious water. Still we have time, right? Until that we complete the notes of this lesson. Okay, precious water. So day by day you have to learn. What I am going to give you the notes regarding the topic precious water, right? Day by day you have to learn. Don't keep it pending. Okay, learning process you should not supposed to keep it pending. Day by day you should keep on learning. Okay, these two chapters you have for the second test. We are for you precious water. Clear? Okay. Shall I erase? Okay. Let me start with the notes. Match the following. Write down. Match the following. FOLLOWING. Match the following. Match the following. First one, filter. 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 Second one, I hope all are writing. Filter over. The second one, boiling. 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 Next, well. W-E-L-L. Well. W-E-L-L. Well. Polluted water. Polluted water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. P-O-L-L-U-T-E-D. Polluted water. Fifth one, G-A-S, gas. Form, F-O-R-M, form of water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Over. Keeps the dot like this, children, okay? It will become easy for us to match. On other side, I am going to write on other side. The first one, underground water. Underground water. Second one, water. V-A-P-O-U-R. Water vapor. Water vapor. Third one, removes dirt. D-I-R-T. Dirt. Removes dirt. Complete this sentence, children. In water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Removes. R-E-M-O-V-E-S. Removes. R-E-M-O-V-E-S. Removes dirt in water. Next, K-I-L-L-S. Kills. Germs. G-E-R-M-S. Germs. Kills germs. Next, N-O-T. Not good. G-O-D. Good for drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking. Not good for drinking. Okay. Fine. The first one will match now. Listen carefully. Filter. We'll get which type of water? In filter, what it will do? Filter, it removes dirt in water. So, from filter you have to match for third one. Removes dirt in water. And second one, in boiling water we will get germs free water. Kills germs. Match. Next, well is a underground water. Very good. Well is a underground water. By digging wells we will get underground water. Okay. Rainwater soaks into the ground. So by digging well we will get underground water. Okay. Rainwater. When rainwater soaks into the ground, stored in underground. Okay. And by digging wells we will get the underground water. Next, polluted water is good for drinking or not good for drinking? Not good for drinking. Match. Next, gas form of water. There is a particular name for gas form of water, that is called water vapor. Match. Okay, over. I hope you all have done fine. I just give you a minute, complete it soon. The second main, that is fill in the blanks. Write soon, children. Over. Next. Second main. Write down. Second main, fill in the blanks. F-I-L-L, fill. I-N in, T-H-E the blanks. B-L-A-N-K-S, fill in the blanks. First one. Dash is the main source of water. Dash is the main, M-A-I-N, main source, S-O-U-R-C-E, source of water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Dash is the main source of water. Rain. Rain is the main source of water. R-A-I-N. Rain. Second one. Are you all writing right? Second one. Dash water contains lot of salt. Dash water contains lot of salt, children. Which water contains lot of salt? Sea water. Write down the answer. S-E-A. Sea water contains lot of salt. Okay. Third one. Dash and dash are the A-R-E, are the dash and dash are the example for E-X-A-M-P-L-E. Example for dash and dash are the example for underground water. Alright, means we have to write two sources of water. Dash and dash are the example for underground water. But we cannot write river. River is not underground water, right? Yes. So dash and dash are the underground water. Example for underground water. Well and hand pump are the underground water. Example for underground water. W-E-L-L, well and what? Hand pump. H-A-N-D, hand, P-U-M-P, pump. Hand pump. H-A-N-D, hand, P-U-M-P, pump. H-A-N-D, hand, P-U-M-P, pump are the, these two examples are the underground water. Okay, by digging wells, by digging bore wells, by digging wells, we'll get underground water. Clear? Okay, next. The fourth one write down. Earth, E-A-R-T-H, E-A-R-T-H, earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth is covered, C-O-V-E-R-E-D, covered by dash percentage of water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Earth is covered by how much percentage of water? Our earth is covered by, tell me children, earth is covered by 71% of water and remaining 29% of land. Okay. So 71% of water. Earth is covered by 71% of water. Okay, in that 71%, half of the water is covered by sea water. We cannot use sea water for our daily needs. Okay. Next, the last one, fifth one, I need to write. So, shall I erase? Rain is the main source of water. I hope all are completed. The last one, fifth statement, or else we can say sentence, fill in the blank sentence. Fifth one, boiling water, W-A-T-E-R, water, boiling water, K-I-L-L-S, kills the dash. In boiling water, we'll get germs free water, right? Yes. Boiling water kills the germs. G-E-R-M-S. Germs. Boiling water kills the germs. In filter removes the dirt in the water. This one we have already done in the match the following. Remember? Yes. Sea water contains lot of salt. Dash water contains lot of salt. Sea water. Dash and dash are the examples for underground water, well and hand pump. Our earth is covered by, dash is covered by 71% of water. In this way also you may get the question. Okay. You have to ready. You have to prepare for to attend the answers. Okay. Because you have already learned all these things, right? Earth is covered by dash percent of water, or else you will get the question like dash is covered by 71% of water. Earth is covered by 71% of water. In this way also you should be able to answer. Okay. Example for underground water. You may get the question like this. Examples for underground water, well and hand pump. You have to write. Okay. Then sea water contains lot of dash salt. So you have to learn the spellings also, children. Dash water kills the germs. Boiling water kills the germs. Okay. In that way also you may get the question. So you have to prepare. You have to learn all the spellings of each and every word. Fine. Okay. This is the two mains. That is, match the following and fill in the blanks I have given in this session. In the next session, I'll give you the remaining mains like question and answers, true or false, missing letter, rearrange the words. These are the mains I am going to give you in the next session. Clear, children? Until that, what you have to do? You have to learn all the two mains what I have given, all the keywords, all the other mains like match the following and fill in the blanks. These two mains you have to learn. Once you just read and understand yourself what is the meaning of this sentence itself, and write and learn each and every spelling of each and every word. Clear? In this way, if you learn means easily you can attend the question paper, or else you will get confused what I have to write, what is the meaning of this word. All the questions arise in your mind while attending the test. So you have to start learn from today itself. Clear, children? Okay, we'll meet in the next session. Until that, keep learning these things. Okay, bye bye.